Hey, my name is Bryce. Are you the head or are you the tail? Simple question. Are you going to be, the 90% of people, actually the 99% of people who don't reach their goals? Or are you going to be that 1% of people who actually do reach their goals? Oftentimes it comes down to a choice. Now, the first choice you have to make is, I'm going to be one of that 1%. It's extremely scary. I understand. But you know what's even scarier than making that choice? Is actually not reaching your goals. Okay? Let me give you a good example. You know, part well, let's even take a step back. So outside of that choice, you're going to have to constantly make new choices whether you're going to take the easy way or the hard way. Now, easy way would be to go get a job. Hard way would, go shoot a video. Another hard thing would be, hey, go talk to someone on a consultation call. Okay, cool. But once you learn how to do these, they get easier over time. So then all you have is like what would be hard for someone else becomes easy for you. And then you're moving and you're constantly moving forward, and then you're going up, and you're moving forward, and your life is starting to change. Okay? That is what it has been for me. That's what I would love for it to be for you. Okay? So let me give you an example, right? So in one of my e-commerce businesses, right, we were moving slow. Things were not looking great, right? It was making a few thousand a month in terms of, both sales and both profit. But it was no fun. It was like, you can't really make any money off that. Can't really like have a sustainable life off of that. But then I started like finding out, okay, cool. So if I do this instead of that, then I can grow my business that much faster, and we can scale. We can start hiring employees. We can start moving forward. We can start moving faster. And then we did it, and our revenue increased probably. I think it was like 3x, right? So from $3,000 to $4,000 a month to 18 to 20,000 a month. But it's the same thing with your regular with your either coaching, accounting, whatever business you're in. Once you understand the strategies that allow you to get people to care about what you have and actually take action, then you're going to be able to do whatever you want. It doesn't matter whether you're doing accounting, it doesn't matter whether you're doing real estate, it does not matter. As long as you understand how to get people to follow you and start moving forward and start, causing your business and your life to explode. If that's what you've been searching for and that's what you're really trying to do and grow your business, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. The link is just a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Because again, I need you to join because it allows me to give you bite-sized pieces of information in a step-by-step manner. When you just see these videos on LinkedIn, right, they're coming at you in a random order. So you might see a video that I did like 6 months ago, then you might see a video I did yesterday, then you might see a video I do 2 weeks from now, then you might even see today's video. But it's going to be in a different order every single time. And when things are out of order, then it causes confusion because you don't know which steps are supposed to be A, B, or C. You might have D before you even see B. That's going to be really hard for you to be able to put anything together. So, allow me to help you by joining the group. And now this is not for everybody. If you want to just stay average, or if you want to just have your business, just mosey along, maybe you're making, maybe you're getting 1 to 2 clients a month, but you still have to work your full-time job, and, you just want to say that you're an entrepreneur on the side, that's totally a-okay. This is probably not for you. But if you want to start becoming towards that 1% who actually achieve their goals and start moving forward in their life and actually cause their life to change, I recommend you go check out that link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information that I have shared. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you later. Subscribe. And sayonara.